Summer is upon us. Time for getting outdoors and using our backyard spaces. Having a swimming pool is not only the ultimate enhancement to your home's resale value, it can also be a shimmering centerpiece to enhance your backyard oasis. Not to mention, making a splash with the neighbors at your next barbecue.
We were interested in a pool. Our other home had a pool as well, above ground pool, and we go on to try to make this a sanctuary for our backyard here, and now's the perfect time.
We have a bigger backyard here, so we just wanted our own sanctuary.
We've got some family members that own a pool installation service up in Illinois, and they were telling us that fiberglass is the best way to go. The nice thing about it is can't beat the quick install. Apparently it's a couple weeks from the beginning to the end. Real smooth surface that you're walking around in, so it's much safer, we feel, and we hear it's easier for to clean up, to take care of the pool content of the water as well.
Fiberglass pools have been around for nearly 50 years. They are a one-piece, factory-built shell made with fiberglass layers, resins, and finished with a gel coating similar to boats, cars, and pool slides. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, with a plethora of tile patterns, designs, and lighting options. They're also customizable to most homeowners' preferences and yard spaces. After deciding on a fiberglass pool, Latham Pools contacted their partner, Hawaiian Island Pools, to learn more.
As the largest manufacturer of fiberglass pools in North America, we have a vast network of professional pool builders who are trained to design and install your fiberglass pool for the perfect backyard experience for you and your family.
They wanted an in-ground fiberglass pool, and that's our specialty. They wanted a pool that had a good amount of decking on it, which we supplied. They wanted a tanning ledge, which we have on this particular pool, and they wanted a water feature, which we did also.
We had several contractors come to our home, and that day, Lee was one of those contractors. He left, gave us a price before he left our house, and we couldn't be happier with the service.
The best things about the fiberglass pools: they're virtually maintenance-free and are backed by a lifetime warranty with Latham Pool products.
Latham offers the strongest fiberglass swimming pools on the market today. And because of the strength and durability of our fiberglass pools, we're able to back our pools with a lifetime warranty on the structure and the surface.
Maintenance-wise, just much easier to take care of because the fact you don't resurface them and the surface of the pool being non-porous. Algae doesn't adhere. You can still get algae in the pool, but it doesn't adhere to the surface very well, so it's much easier to clean.
With all the combinations that we have between all of our models, all of our colors, and all of our accessories, you can truly customize your pool so that you have that absolute unique special look in your backyard.
I'm just really excited to be able to have family and friends over in our home, in our backyard.
So today we come out, we lay out the position of the pool, we excavate the hole and prepare the ground for the pool to be set. We bring a crane out, we lift the pool up over the house, put it into the ground. And so the pool starts from nothing at the beginning of the day to the pool actually being in the ground.
Looking to upgrade your backyard space? Visit lathampool.com to learn more about their customizable fiberglass swimming pools and accessories. As always, you can go to our website, designingspaces.tv.